Hi, everyone. President Obama was only in the mid-state for a few hours, but made a big impact. And tonight, we have team coverage of his Nashville visit. We'll begin with News Channel 5's Mark Bellinger, who was inside Taylor Stratton Elementary as the commander-in-chief addressed the crowd. Mark?
That's right, Rory. And he talked about the Affordable Care Act and how it has helped millions of Americans. He also took lots of questions, and there are many questions about Insure Tennessee, the governor's failed attempt to expand Medicaid.
Please welcome the President of the United States, accompanied by Kelly Bryant.
President Obama received a big ovation from the partisan crowd. Many had questions about Insure Tennessee. Some wore T-shirts and asked the president for advice on how to get Medicaid expansion passed in the volunteer state.
And I would like to know if you are aware of this, or is there anything that movements or acts that you can make on part of our problem here.
Governor Bill Haslam's plan, which failed twice in the legislature, would provide health insurance to an estimated 280,000 Tennesseans. The president was careful with his answers, saying Tennessee should find its own solutions.
Given the strong history of innovation in healthcare in Tennessee, and given the high quality of doctors and hospitals and nurses and networks that are here, y'all should be able to find a solution.
Former U.S. Senator Bill Frist was there, he says, as a citizen to support Insure Tennessee and the president.
I am in support of Insure Tennessee. I believe it's appropriately modified and flexible, aimed at the specific needs of Tennesseans as determined by our government.
The president spoke about the successes of the Affordable Care Act. He spoke about prescription drug discounts for senior citizens, children being able to stay on their parents' health insurance until they're 26 years old. And he talked about how pre-existing conditions can no longer keep you from buying health insurance. Obama says it's working, but more needs to be done.
My hope is that on a bipartisan basis, in places like Tennessee, but all across the country, we can now focus on what have we learned, what's working, what's not working.
The president says he's open to new ideas on how to make the Affordable Care Act even better. He also encouraged Republicans to send in their ideas. Reporting live from Madison, Mark Bellinger, News Channel 5 HD.